is an emergency advisory from the Department of Health and Human Services in coordination with the FBI. All parents and caregivers are instructed to immediately disconnect any baby monitors manufactured between 2019 and 2024. Unplug them, remove the batteries, and do not view any footage, live or recorded tonight. This advisory follows an investigation triggered by reports from across 43 states. Parents described hearing whispers on their baby monitors, voices responding to infant movements, softly and steadily counting upwards. Audio analysis confirmed these whispers weren't interference. They were deliberate. More disturbingly, the voices appear to originate from inside the monitors themselves. They match no known source and, most chilling, they resemble the voices of young children aged 6 months to 3 years, the same age as the monitored infants. Families who continued using the monitors began to notice visual anomalies. Night vision feeds showed shadows moving independently, gathering around cribs, forming geometric shapes that shift and react to the baby's sleep. Frame-by-frame inspection revealed they had edges, purpose, and awareness. In the most severe cases, monitors began showing extra children, motionless silhouettes standing by the crib. These figures have elongated skulls and never move when watched live, yet recorded footage shows them leaning closer over hours. 7 households discovered their monitors mysteriously turned to maximum volume by morning. Playback revealed synchronized breathing, not from one child but from dozens. Audio enhancements identified at least 12 distinct breath patterns, each one sounding progressively younger. 3 children have vanished from their cribs. The monitors showed them sleeping the entire night. No signs of break-in, just empty cribs and whispers that never stopped. The counting continued, reaching numbers no child should know, numbers that don't exist. Our tech analysis team has gone silent. Their last transmission mentioned that the shadows were active in daylight, and the whispers had changed, no longer counting, but now reciting addresses, our addresses. If you're hearing this, check your children with your own eyes, not through a screen. The monitors are still watching, even when turned on. They're counting how many children they've seen, and they're not done yet.